Hello everybody, welcome back to another episode of Coin Logic TV, where we are looking logically at crypto assets. I am your host, The Logical Dude, your favorite van life living, crypto investing digital nomad. Hope you guys are doing great today. Today I am talking about Comdex. Comdex is working on democratizing finance for the Cosmos ecosystem. Essentially, what Comdex is a seamless access to global assets and liquidity. So Comdex synthetic protocol unlocks access to a vast set of commodity, debt, assets, and liquidity, making the flow of capital from DeFi to CeFi seamless. So there's kind of three pieces of this whole puzzle. You've got Comdex, which is a decentralized synthetic assets protocol built on Cosmos, using the Cosmos SDK. So they have their own blockchain, basically, which also comes with their own token. We'll get into the token stuff in just a second. But there is enterprise trading. So it's an exchange for ownership of physical commodities built on the Persistence SDK. And then coming soon, they have ShipFi, a digitization of exchange of ownership of commodity trade finance debt. So basically what they're trying to do is they're trying to make it easy for anybody to be able to invest and own commodities, basically being able to get into the commodities exchanges and stuff like that. So it's a fully interoperable synthetic protocol. So we have synthetic assets, which are derived of a range of financial assets. We have the synthetic exchange, which is an automatic market maker for the exchange of synthetic assets. We have tokenization, which is the on-chain representation of the real-world assets, and then lending, which access to finance through collateralized debt. So basically, you will be able to use your synthetic commodities, your synthetic assets, to be able to lend against them, which is really awesome. So that brings the whole DeFi structure into it. So Comdex is built on the Cosmos SDK, which is an IBC-enabled synthetics protocol for an interoperable ecosystem of solutions. If you have no idea what that means, Cosmos is an ecosystem that allows different projects to not just build a DApp. So like with Ethereum or Binance Smart Chain or Polygon, you are building on top of another blockchain. You are building an app on top of another blockchain. That token is built and using another blockchain. Well, the Cosmos ecosystem, the Cosmos SDK, allows you to build entire blockchains and then interconnect them with all the other blockchains in the ecosystem. So that is where the whole interoperable ecosystem comes into play. So Comdex can be used on the Osmosis ecosystem. It'll probably be able to be used on the Juno ecosystem, that kind of thing. So it's all going to be able to communicate with other blockchains that are built on the Cosmos SDK. So we have bridges to other ecosystems. So cross-chain bridges enable access for asset holders from other chains to be able to connect and trade with the Comdex ecosystem. Mint synthetics. So you mint a range of synthetic C assets based on the price obtained from reputable price oracles. And then the automatic market making for the C assets trading. Minted C assets can be traded through those platforms. So basically you'll be able to provide liquidity for those assets. So now let's get into talking about the CMDX token. So the whole token ecosystem for Comdex. So the native token, CMDX, currently there's an airdrop, which we're going to be talking about in just a second. But the native token has a staking economy built around it, really low transactions fees, stability of synthetic assets, and security of the protocol. There's governance. So there's actually a governance vote going on right now we'll talk about in just a second. And then there's collateralization, and then rewards for staking and for liquidity providing, things like that. All right, so you can come down here and come and follow all kind of different articles. You can get involved with the community, stay up to date, and get different resources right here from their homepage, which is comdex.one. I will be putting a link down in the description below. So they currently have their airdrop going, and this is your last chance to come and claim it. So coming over here to their Twitter real quick, we're going to go and take a look at that. So we're going to take a look at the last chance to claim your Comdex airdrop is now. So you have until March 7th to come in and claim your tokens. All right, so claiming your tokens, you go to airdrop.comdex.one, and that will bring you to this page right here. So if you are staking Osmosis, so Osmo, Luna, Atom, or XPRT, which is the persistence blockchain, if you are staking those, you are going to be eligible for the airdrop, or if you were staking them at the time of the time of the snapshot, which honestly I don't know, but I'm sure it's in the documents. So go and check out and do your own research. But what you can do is you can come in here and you can come and check your eligibility, and then you can click on whichever blockchain that you were staking. So in my case, I got rewarded for Atom and Osmo. So you come in here, you type, you click on you put in your address from like your Kepler wallet, and then you hit submit address. It'll bring you up to a terms page that you will have to go and click and agree to the terms, and then it will ask you how you want to receive your airdrop, whether it's to your Kepler address or to a Ledger wallet, and I think there was one other option. So you can definitely go and check that out. Again, you have until March 7th. The way that it works is that you get only 20% of your airdrop up front. And then every 3 months after that, I think for the next 12 months, you're going to be getting the other 20%. So go and check that out. See if you have any Comdex available to you. And then you can actually get staking. And we are actually about to have a validator node up and running for the mainnet. They did put out their mainnet information for validators yesterday, as a matter of fact, here on their Twitter account. Actually, let's see here. Well, actually, they're just talking about the government's proposal here to increase validators from 64 to 75. So, we would love to be able to jump into that extra bit. So if you hold an already staking Comdex, please go and vote on this governance proposal to increase the validator set. Because Infinity Nodes, which is my partner, staking partner, we are going to be launching our Comdex mainnet validator very, very soon. We're getting all that ready. I was told by our server guys today that it is all pretty much all up and ready to go. We had a meeting with the Comdex team the other day, or I did, and was talking about, using Coin Logic for some marketing, things like that, and as well as, getting started validated with them. Hopefully we can get a team validation from them, and that will get us jumped up into consensus, and we won't be just burning money, but, we'll be able to actually get rewarded for this. That'll be nice, and then you can come and you can stake your Comdex with Infinity, because we run some good servers. We run a full century node system, trying to bring the best security and validation to the Cosmos ecosystem, to all these different blockchains, trying to support as much as we possibly can. So not only are we trying to support on the network level, but we're also trying to support on the marketing and education level as well. So if you are interested in learning more and tracking Comdex, you can do that right here on coin-logic.com. Actually, it is in our Coin Logic index. Right down here, you click on that, and that will actually take you to our Comdex information page, which talks about everything about Comdex, gives you links to the website, the Block Explorer, Twitter, Reddit, source code, white paper. You can come down here and you can actually do a conversion and see how much your Comdex is worth via versus USD or all these other different fiat currencies. You can also come down here and check the charts. We have line charts and we have the candlestick charts as well. Actually, it doesn't look like the candlestick chart is quite working right now. So yeah, you can come and check out the chart here and see kind of what action is happening. Daily, weekly, month, year, and then we got the all time, which is basically a year because it's a pretty new token. So definitely come and check it out. Come and add it to your watch list here on coin-logic.com. We hope to really work with the Comdex team in the future. So this is not a supported video at all. This is just me wanting to bring you something really cool because I had a chance to talk to the team. I really like what they're doing here, and I really want to jump on board and help these guys out. So here we are. But anyway, that's going to be it for me today. Just wanting to give you a quick little introduction to the Comdex ecosystem here in the Cosmos. I'm going to start calling it the Cosmos universe because that's what it is. There's just so much going on here with the interconnected blockchain, the inter-blockchain connectivity that's going on. It's crazy. It's crazy. Just so much. I can't even keep up with all of it. There's airdrops coming left and right. We're trying to pull up and trying to run validators for all these new networks that are coming up. So it's just, got a lot going on. So not only that, we got all the kind of stuff going on in the Hive ecosystem as well. So if you guys are interested in social networking, all that kind of stuff, go check out Hive as well. Anyway, I hope you guys could come over here, do a deep dive on Comdex. Come and claim your airdrop tokens if you have some available. If not, go to Osmos and you can actually go and exchange for it now on osmosis.zone. And hopefully you will come and stake your Comdex with our new validator that we're getting up and running. And then hopefully, if the vote passes, then we will up the validator numbers to 75 validators for consensus. And we will be able to jump into that. So here's to hoping, and here's to having a good day on the blockchain, guys. Y'all have a great rest of your day. Be cool, be real, always abide, and be safe out there, and don't get wrecked in these crazy markets. Always make sure to do your own research. Don't just listen to this guy right here. This is not financial advice. I'm just showing you what I'm getting involved with, and hopefully you can learn a thing or two as well. Take it easy, guys.